Hello beautiful glam girls, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a little vlog just to show you guys what I'm doing while I'm home. You know, we're all home in this together. I'm about to make a pineapple upside down cake. I've been baking a lot because we're home so much. I made, what did I make, babe? I made cornbread from scratch. And then before that, I made banana bread. So today I'm making pineapple upside down cake. I just cut my pineapples. I'll put a clip of that first so you guys can see. So I cut my pineapple myself. You can use canned pineapple if you want. No judgment here. We just had one and I wanted to use it and I was like, you know what? Make a pineapple upside down cake. Who knows? Soon I might be making an apple crumble because we have apples too. So I thought it'd be fun to just do like a bake and hang out with me. Today we ate pizza for lunch because we woke up late, and now we're eating some leftover Spanish food from the other day. Antonio's eating rice and chicken. I'm eating some soup that I got from the Spanish place, and yeah, I'm gonna make my pineapple upside down cake. Oh, it's Antonio in the house. Say hi, babe. Eating some chicken and rice. Look at him. You would swear he's Latino.
And you not recording me eating food.
You're so handsome.
Why?
Look at this face. Look at this face, guys. Hot husband check. Look at this body. Call, it's Kal-El. Kal-El, sit. Good boy. Down. Down. Oh, you're being silly. Down. Good boy. Speak. Speak. No. Sit. Speak. Speak. Good boy. Show the people you know how to listen, please, for 5 seconds. Please. What a good boy. What a sweet boy. Yeah, you're a sweet boy. Can I see your face? Look at this face, guys. Look at this face. The fireplace going. Got a candle on. Everything's clean. Got the ambiance going. Right, guys, this is the pan I'm using for my cake. I got this at Home Goods. I think it was like $6. Really, really nice pan. I have my freshly cut up pineapple, and I'm gonna start getting my ingredients ready. So I have my flour. So I'm just gonna put everything in the measuring cups, and once it's all laid out, I'll show you guys everything. Hey guys, here's a little tip. If your brown sugar is hard, put it in the microwave for a few seconds at a time until it gets soft, and then you can use it. Much easier than trying to pound it. All of our ingredients. So we have our dish that's ungreased. We have our pineapple slices, flour, eggs that have been separated. So this is the white, this is the yolks. This is oil just in case I need it because I don't have enough butter. We have our brown sugar and butter, regular sugar, baking powder, and vanilla. Am I missing anything? And then at the end we'll add the cherries when it's all baked and done. So first thing, I'm going to just put this in the microwave again so the butter can melt. Mix those together. You put an even layer and then put the pineapple on top and then work on the actual cake batter. So I am making all types of content at once, guys. I'm a little overwhelmed, okay? Not gonna lie. I'm making TikToks, Instagram stories, vlogging. I am like, I feel like I have 10 hands right now. So I'm mixing together my butter and brown sugar to put on the bottom of my pan because you want to layer that first because remember, it's upside down. So the bottom right now will be the top when it's done baking. Just gonna try to dry this out. So I don't actually have enough butter, so I'm just winging it. I think it should be okay because butter by itself makes a syrup. So I feel like it should be okay. We'll see. So if you guys follow me on TikTok and Instagram, I've been trying to make so much content. I have so much stuff coming. I just feel like I need to just keep going to stay positive. Hope you guys are doing well. I hope it's helping if you are staying up to date with my content. What have you guys been up to? I hope that you're also doing well and trying to stay positive. I heard that the governor's brother, the CNN, Andrew, CNN reporter that he has it now. So many people. I mean, I personally think it's been around longer than they told us, and that half of Hollywood has had it or is going to, which is sad. And just seeing so many videos from doctors and nurses, you know, at the hospitals in New York. But anyway, let's try to be positive. I'm trying, guys. I did an IGTV video showing you like a little routine of what I've been doing every day. I've been getting dressed and doing a little makeup, trying to create as much content as possible, like I said, to just keep a positive mind. So I'm trying to stay positive and just you know, like I said, stay productive, stay moving. But I am really frustrated at the people who are still like living life like nothing's going on and just hanging out and stuff. I feel like we need to be aware of those people and kind of keep that in mind, because that just shows you how selfish they are, and that's not right. I think I need to cut out the middle here. I wish I had a cookie cutter that was like a little circle to do it with, because having to do this by hand is gonna kill me. What if I can use this? Ooh, that work? Wait. Yes. Guys, perfect circle. A little stemless champagne flute. It's the perfect circle size. Isn't that cute? I'm gonna lay this down and cut out. That is so perfect. It's cutting out the perfect little circles. So lay down my pineapple. This is so satisfying to see the little circles. I feel like a real chef. I mean, I know the circles probably shouldn't be that big, but I'm just gonna put multiple cherries. Making my TikTok while I do this. It's a lot of work, guys. I feel like I'm crazy. I love this. This is so perfect. Look how cute. Should I leave it like this or put more pineapple? You know what? I'm gonna like stuff the pineapple. And I'm gonna put one in the middle. What do you think? Is that too much? That one broke, so I'm gonna go to another one. I already have my oven preheating. So yeah, anyway, I'm saying that I feel like we need to just keep in mind the people who are not respecting the rules right now, and you know, maybe call them out if they're your friends or family, because it's selfish, you know. So now I'm beating my egg yolks. Gotta beat your egg yolks until they're thick and lemon colored. Babe, do this part. Huh? Do this part for me.
Fucking treats. Oh.
Yeah, see? Exposed. You gotta beat until it's thick and lemon colored. It's loud. Switching to the electric mixer.
Just use one sauce.
Because, honey, plus I gotta mix in the sugar, so. I'm going to add my sugar to my egg yolks. Make sure you always have a rubber spatula so you can get the sides of the bowl. See all the stuff on the side? You want to get that with your spatula. Now we're going to add our vanilla extract. I just spilled some of it, of course. Once you have your sugar and eggs beat, add in your vanilla extract. So I don't have pineapple juice because remember I cut my own pineapples. I'm gonna take the juice that has fallen from the pineapples in my bowl while I was waiting. I'm gonna add that to this mix. It wasn't much, but it was something. Maybe I'll throw in some orange juice. No, I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I guess if you, because I didn't have pineapple juice, I took a little piece of pineapple from one of the slices and I just kind of like chopped it up with my fingers and threw it in the mix so that as the cake bakes, the little pieces of fruit will let a lot of that juice out. You wouldn't want to put a lot because it can mess up the cake. Just a little bit to add extra moisture and to also add a little bit more juice. And then from this point, you're gonna put in all of your dry ingredients. So you have your flour and salt. And you can just dump it in there. I mean, add it slow if you want, but whatever. And then also your baking powder. And then we're going to mix that up. All right, guys, we're getting to the end of the road. So we had to beat the egg whites for a while to get them to stiff peaks. Add that to the other part of the batter. And now we're gonna pour it into our dish. And I think it's okay. I also added that oil that I told you guys about because the recipe that I'm using, I modified it a little bit because I always like to make my own little spin on recipes and make them my own. And to me, I think I needed that oil. So hopefully I didn't mess it up. But I think it should be okay. So we're gonna let that bake, I think for like 30 to 35 minutes on like 325. It's looking nice and bubbly, like there's enough air in it. So hopefully it works out. I think it will. I normally don't have trouble baking, so we shall see. So I'll show you what it looks like when it's done baking. Thanks for hanging out with me. Guys, I'm going to clean up now because I have got my work cut out for me, and it is kind of like a workout. I'm gonna clean up, let it bake, and I'll be back to show you the finished product. Guys, look at my cake. So because my pineapple holes were pretty big, I added, oh, the dog is like trying to eat the cake. I added 3 cherries in each hole to make space. I wish I had like really red cherries. These for some reason are a little darker, but I think it looks so pretty and delicious and homemade and yummy. I love it. What do you guys think? Alright guys, I'm not at my cutest right now, but I just wanted to give you a little outro. I love you. Thanks for hanging out with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. I will leave the recipe for this cake down below. And follow me on Instagram for more recipes as well as TikTok. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one.